We're told something from a young age. If something is real, you should be able to prove it, measure it, test it, observe it. Sounds reasonable. But tonight, I want to ask something uncomfortable. What if that question itself is broken?
Now, think about this. We don't empirically prove logic. You can't run an experiment to prove a thing cannot both exist and not exist at the same time. Yet, every experiment depends on that rule.
If God is defined not as a being inside the universe, but as the reason the universe exists at all, then demanding empirical proof is like asking a video game character to find the programmer inside the map. The question starts eating itself.
Empirical proof. This is where it gets weird. Empirical proof requires three things: space, time, cause and effect. But if something is the source of space, time, and causation, it cannot be inside them. That's not a loophole. That's a category boundary. Asking for empirical proof of God is like asking, what color is causation itself? The sentence sounds normal, but it doesn't actually mean anything. And no, this doesn't prove God exists. It just exposes something more disturbing. A lot of debates about God don't fail because of evidence. They fail because both sides are playing different games with different rules. One side asks scientific questions, the other is making metaphysical claims about necessity, existence, and reason itself. When those collide, it feels like clarity, but it's actually confusion dressed as confidence. And that's the part nobody warns you about. So no, asking for empirical proof of God doesn't make you dumb. It makes you human. But it might also mean you're using the right tool on the wrong kind of question. And once you notice that, the debate doesn't end. It just moves somewhere much quieter and much harder to leave.